one of our newer users was saying, well, I've got a team member and I'd like to be able to log in as that team member. I'm going to go ahead and pin my menu just so that it looks like it normally does. So if you're in a team situation, you now have the ability, whenever you click on your little icon at the upper right, your initials, there'll now be a login as team member. Now, you have to do a little setup, otherwise it won't really do anything for you. The account owner, whoever owns your account, needs to go into the profile section. Inside of profile, you go into your teams, and then each team member that's listed in here can do things. Actually, I'm a sub member of Cody's account. So let me log in as him because I do have him in my list. You have to be logged in as that person, as the account owner. Whenever you do log in as somebody, you're acting as somebody. Now, the way I have it set up is Cody has given me permission to log in as him. Technically, he is the owner. So because I can log in as him, I can now do this process. If you're the account owner, you should be able to go into your profiles, into your team. This will be where all your team members are set up. And on any particular person, if you look at their record, you can see all their information. Down here at the bottom, it says, who can log in as this member? And then there'll be a button. This will not be available if you're not the account owner. You won't see this option. But if you are the account owner, you can come in here and then you can choose who can log in as this person. So if I'm logged in as Cody, he can log in as me. If I'm logged in Mackenzie or Test, whatever, these three people can log in as me in order to make those changes. But I'm only allowing right now, the admin to assign those. So you have to ask your admin to go in and do that process. Once that is assigned, then that menu then becomes available. If you are logged in as another person, it'll say acting as, and then who you're acting as. And then you have the ability to revert back to who you actually are. So I was originally logged in as Mark. So now I can revert back to logged in as Mark, and then it resets everything. So this just prevents you from having to log out, log back in as that secondary person.